Hello, my friends, and welcome back to English Daily Podcast. I'm your host, Kevin. Today, you are watching Day 5 of our official 21-day shadowing challenge for Fluency. If you are tired of just studying grammar rules but freezing up when you try to speak, you are in the right place. This challenge is designed to train your mouth muscles, rewiring your brain to think in English blocks without translating. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and check the description to start from day 1. But if you've been following along, let's keep your amazing momentum going. Grab your water, relax your shoulders, and let's dive straight into today's practice. Imagine Friday afternoon has finally arrived. You want to relax, meet a friend, and go shopping for the weekend. You want to text them or call them in English, but you start worrying about making mistakes. Let me tell you a secret. You don't need long, difficult phrases to enjoy your social life in English. Simple, clear words are all you need to make plans and have fun. Today, we have a super long, high-value shadowing practice specially made for A1 and A2 beginners. We are going to live inside 4 realistic everyday situations: planning the weekend layout, buying a birthday gift at a shop, inviting a friend out for lunch, and relaxing at a park. Between these sections, I will give you easy fluency tips to train your tongue. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's start with Situation 1, planning the weekend, A1 level. Today is Friday. The work week is finished. I love the weekend. I want to relax today. Tomorrow is Saturday. I will sleep late. My bed is warm. I will wake up at 9. Then I will make coffee. I want to read a book. On Sunday, I will clean. I will wash my clothes. I will cook a good meal. The weekend is short, but it is very peaceful. Do you have plans? I hope you have fun.
Brilliant job! You just planned your weekend in English. Let's pause for a moment for fluency tip number 1. Did you notice how simple those A1 sentences were? When we talk about our future plans in a simple way, using I will followed by a basic action is the easiest path. I will sleep late. I will make coffee. You don't need complex grammar structures to tell someone your schedule. Just keep it short, clear, and confident. Now, we are going to make the sentences slightly longer. We are stepping into Situation 2, buying a birthday present at a local shop, A2 level. We need to find a birthday present for a friend. Let's keep going.
Situation 2, buying a gift at a local shop. Good afternoon. I need a birthday gift. It's for my best friend. Hello. We have lovely things. Is it for a man? Or is it for a woman? It is for a woman. She loves modern art. She loves reading journals and drinking warm tea. We have ceramic teacups here and artistic journals too. This blue ceramic cup is perfect. How much does it cost? It costs $15. It includes a beautiful box. That is wonderful. No extra wrapping paper needed. Exactly. Let's do this. Should I remove the price tag?
Yes, please remove it. I also need a small card. A small birthday card. Cards are by the register. You can choose one there. Perfect. Can I pay now? Can I use my debit card? Yes, of course. Please tap your card here. Here is your gift bag. I hope she enjoys it. Thank you for your help. Excellent customer service. It was a pleasure. Have a fantastic weekend.
Fantastic. You just bought the perfect gift. Now let's talk about fluency tip number 2, the melody of choice. In English, when we offer choices or talk about a list of interests, our voice naturally goes up for the first items and down for the last item. Listen to this. She loves art, reading, and drinking warm tea. Did you hear how my voice lifted on art and reading and dropped on tea? When you shadow me, try to capture this natural rise and fall. It makes your English sound incredibly expressive and smooth, even if your vocabulary is still basic. Are you ready for the next level? Let's invite a friend out. We are entering Situation 3, calling a friend for lunch, A2 level. Let's do it together. Hey, John. Are you busy this Saturday? Free around 1 o'clock? Hi, Kevin. No plans. No major plans. What's up? I was wondering something. Would you like lunch? Have lunch with me? That sounds great. Where would you like to go? A new Italian restaurant. It opened downtown last week. Oh, I love Italian food. Is it easy to get a table? I can call them now. I will reserve a table. Perfect. Where do we meet? At the restaurant or at the subway station? Let's meet outside. Outside the subway entrance. Let's meet at 4:45. Then we can walk together. Sounds like a solid plan. I look forward to catching up. Me too. Trust me. I have a birthday surprise. A surprise package for you. Wow, you shouldn't have. Thank you, Kevin. See you on Saturday. Don't mention it. Have a wonderful evening. Wow, you just made lunch plans with a friend over the phone. That is a huge step for an A2 learner. Phone conversations can feel intimidating, but you did a brilliant job shadowing those phrases. Here is fluency tip number 3, chunking conversational phrases. In this section, we used phrases like, I was wondering if, you would like to have lunch. By grouping words into small, meaningful pieces, you don't run out of breath, and you give the listener time to understand you. Shadowing trains your mouth to find these natural resting spots automatically. Now let's finish this long beginner marathon with a peaceful scenario. Situation 4, a relaxing walk in the park. A2 level. Let's finish strong. The weekend weather is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful today. The sun is warm. The sky is bright blue. The city park is full. Happy people are relaxing. Families are sitting together. Sitting on green blankets. People are reading books. Reading under old trees. A boy is flying a kite. A colorful kite in the wind. The kite flies very high. High up in the air. I walk slowly now. Along the stone path. Walking near the water. White ducks are swimming. Swimming peacefully in the pond. I find a wooden bench. An empty bench facing flowers. I sit down right here. I close my eyes. I listen to nature. Hear the soft wind rustling. Rustling the tree leaves. This is the perfect way. Perfect end to a busy week. I feel completely refreshed. Ready for Monday.
Look at what you have accomplished today. You have officially completed day 5 of our 21-day shadowing challenge. You didn't just listen passively, you actively used your vocal cords to practice English. In this super long beginner masterclass, you successfully navigated a full weekend plan. You described your routine, bought a gift, invited a friend to lunch, and described the beautiful day in the park. Your mouth muscles might feel tired, but that is the physical proof that you are growing. You are turning yourself into a natural English speaker. Now it is time for your daily commitment homework. Scroll down to the pinned comment right now and type Day 5 Done. And also type just one simple sentence about your own weekend plans using the words we practiced today. For example, I will drink coffee on Saturday, or I want to walk in the park so I can personally see your consistency and cheer you on. To speak English fluently, consistency is everything. You cannot skip days. That is why I am professionally challenging you to finish this journey. Don't stop now. Your mouth is already adapting. If this extra-long, story-driven beginner format with coaching tips helped you stay focused without getting bored, please support our channel. Hit that subscribe button right now and join our growing English Daily podcast family. Smash the like button so the YouTube algorithm can share this lesson with language learners all over the globe. And click the notification bell so you never miss our daily episodes.